Hey guys,
Today we are back with
I'm just showing them.
a race bike here.
By the way, do you have any pets?
We'll get to that later.
I was just asking if you did.
Yes, we have pets. Anyway, so I took the whole brake kit off the BMX bike and put it on here. We're gonna test that out.
This point you home, calling out from the east.
You guys know I need proper pads. They really don't work that good. But let's just go over to the track. Give it some like half throttle launches.
Yeah, I cut the video real quick.
No.
Oh, what?
Alright, we'll stand over there. That was full brake. Hard braking. That was 50% throttle. I'll do 100%. You guys go over there.
Alright, cool. Quickly cut the video. I don't care if I kid.
Anyway. Oh, she wants in.
Guys, it's kitty reveal.
Dead tree right there.
Yeah.
We're standing back. Oops.
Actually, guys, that thing I called our kitty, she's 7, so.
I'm gonna go even farther. Full throttle, right? Come here. Full brake.
It is cold. The wind is blowing the phone. Comment if you guys want a 35-kilometer challenge on here. Oh my God. Okay.
Thinking about doing that. Thinking about doing the 35 kilometer. So, like if you want to see that, smash the subscribe button. We're on the road to 10. It's really exciting. We'll let my sister choose a random route.
Go from that car over here to here.
Blue car?
Yeah, the blue one.
Guys, that's a 2007 Toyota.
We call it
Hatchback.
We call it the Yaris.
Yes, 2007 Toyota Yaris hatchback. It's old.
We heard the first time.
Alright, I'll go over there.
Okay, hurry. It is freezing, guys. Alright, thanks. comment, guys, down below for a Q&A. More Q&A questions.
I'm trying to breathe. Guys, ski mask. I haven't worn it in a while. But it's cold, guys. Tomorrow
Freezing.
we go to the store, we get 10W30 oil, and we do our first test start on the 2015
Taking ages.
lawnmower. Yeah, guys, it's pretty cool. All I wanted
Bye,
to
guys.
do was show off the new brake kit. Thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna catch every single one in the next video.